Unnecessary weight gain is an increasingly common problem in the present day and age. This is mainly due to the sedentary lifestyle prevalent among the working class. Consuming weight loss drinks is one of the effective solutions to this problem. By setting the extra kilos, your overall health improves significantly. It brings down the risk of suffering from many dangerous diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, stroke, etc. Today, we will share with you a simple weight loss drink that is made from 3 ingredients. When you consume this drink, it will boost your metabolism and help you lose weight and lose belly fat. Remember, if your metabolism doesn't go up, it will dampen your efforts to lose weight. Now, we start to make this weight loss drink. The first ingredient that you need to prepare is lime. Take 1 lime and cut it into small pieces. Because we will use the whole lime including its peel, so make sure you have rinsed the lime first. Thus, 1 lime contains half a day's worth of vitamin C, a nutrient that's been shown to slash levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that triggers hunger and fat storage. Limes are also rich in polyphenols. The Japanese researchers say they may ward off fat accumulation and weight gain. But that's not all. Lime peel is also a potent source of pectin, a soluble fiber that's been proven to help people feel full in longer time. Now, put the lime pieces into a blender. Next, you need to prepare 1 cucumber and cut it into small pieces. I'm sure that you know the first thing you have to do when you are trying to lose weight is cutting down calories, and cucumbers are very low in calories. You will be really astonished to know that 1 cup of sliced cucumbers has thus 14 calories, which is less than around 1% of the daily requirement of your calories. Therefore, even if you eat a large portion size of a cucumber, you won't be gaining pounds. In addition, cucumbers are high in fiber, which will fill you up and help you feel more satisfied. Now, put the cucumber into the blender. Next, you need to prepare 1 peeled grapefruit and separate it in half. Then, break each half into individual grapefruit segments. Take each grapefruit segment and cut off its end. Peel off the skin of the grapefruit segment and put the flesh into the blender. Do the same with the rest of the grapefruit segments until you get all the grapefruit flesh into the blender. Grapefruit is low in calories and sodium, but high in potassium and fat-burning enzymes, benefiting weight loss in different ways. The low calories means you can eat grapefruit freely without consuming too many calories. A low sodium intake helps flush away excess water weight caused from high sodium foods, and the enzymes presenting in it help increase fat burning. Finally, add 250 milliliters of water. Blend everything until it becomes a smooth mixture. Pour the mixture into a cup and enjoy it. You can also consume this weight loss drink by keeping it in the fridge for a while. By serving it cold, it kickstarts the metabolic process of your body, which allows you to lose weight faster.